Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. The cabin air filter is located here. Twist the 3 securing clips to unlock the panel. Remove the cowling panel. Remove the plastic nut with a 10mm socket. Use a screwdriver to disengage the side tabs. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AQ1178C filter into the housing, with their airflow indicating arrows pointing towards the housing. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the housing by threading the teeth with their catch up top. Retighten the securing plastic nut. Reinstall the panel by aligning the tabs with their catch. Reinstall the clips. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.